Alright, so we'll go on. So
Barry,
this is.
what are you doing? Is it a video?
Yes, you will know. So this is a video. Okay, alright. This right now is like my younger brother, my twin brother. Like he's just like younger brother, like what, 4 minutes?
We actually favor.
I think like 4 minutes. Like this is my twin bro, man. So this is Bruce. Like I don't really talk about my twin very often, but like every time you go out, people are just be like, yo, why you don't walk with your twin? And I'm just like, it's just like this man is always getting it. And so today Yaadman is going back to
J.
So no, we're at Jamaica right now. He's going back to foreign.
I was waiting for the right moment, and that was the right moment.
And so we
back to Biden land.
Yes, and so I guess we are. Oh wow, that's kind of no, not yet. It's still Trump land. So he's going back to Trump land, and we are sending him off to go there so that he can be a part of all the chaos and the mess. Earlier we did kind of get some food, some women to cook.
There's a celebrity in the kitchen.
It's celebrity season on Creative Cooking.
What is your chef of? Chef Boyardee.
Scrambled eggs.
What is?
This is just scrambled eggs.
You can have a little bit more enthusiasm. Yeah, man.
All these things. And I decided, alright, I want to do fitness.
Some people can't do them something,
And I usually like jog around the park.
What? How did you work, yeah, man?
Like probably like
Mother, I miss this. God rest her soul.
Wow. So what did you put in this now? So I'm seeing a little black pepper, a little salt. Okay, so you add milk?
Yes.
Okay, a little milk. What the milk really do? What the milk do?
You fuck up the egg them.
Okay, it really just like get a little extra oomph. Okay, that's nice now. So what do you get for tea now?
Yeah, and then you start to add.
I drink juice.
Yeah.
Get too high.
Egg
You do.
and juice?
I'm bread.
The thing is, I don't even know if it's something I would
So the
want
thing
to
is,
say.
like, I really think so. Yeah, man, never at least be half nice and just like share with a little plate, but like, I just say him stay, get me? Bad customer service, like, I just say that's why really come at them people are stuff.
You're here, help yourself. 4 eggs.
4 eggs, all the eggs them they taste like between me, like, when I have to eat, I'll tell her, like, tell her how the egg them they taste like.
Dog, it was kind of lumpy with all the garlic in there.
Oh yeah, they kind of taste a little lumpy and stuff like that, but I can't really tell him that, because, like
wait
him,
till it come out,
yeah, like when the video come out, but we can't make him know that, because, I'm self-esteem while him a travel, him in the playing a ball and them thing there, the strips. Alright, but, I mean, we're still standing here, so I guess it's a vibe.
It's okay.
So that's just it. So yeah, just follow this vlog now. We're gonna just dump him off at the airport, and whatever you see, you just see. Peace out.
A few moments later.
So what is this I'm looking at?
Legacy aesthetics.
Legacy
Aesthetics. Yo, why does everybody get the name?
legacy aesthetics. And so what is it?
It's my gym.
Oh, it's a gym. Oh, you have a gym?
Yeah, bro.
I had no idea. How long you have a gym now?
I've been training people for. Is this an actual thing?
Yeah, this is for my vlog, of course. It's a random interview. You've been training people for how long?
Alright, so yo, Bruce Dash, Legacy Aesthetics.
Yeah.
Legacy Aesthetics on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Personal trainer. I've been training people for 11 years. I train people to get fit.
Yeah.
Lose weight, gain weight, train MMA, kickboxing, boxing, anything you want.
Also, if I just wanted to just like learning for fun and just like have that be a part of my workout, like that can be arranged.
Of course.
Okay, that's
so,
cool.
Yeah, we got some rates for y'all. We have a lot of deals going on right now.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
You say you have a crush for my name, come on.
Oh my gosh.
Next question. See ya.
You're saying about shitting?
No, I was just saying like shitting on your own toilet is very it's very comforting. You get what I mean? I was talking to Jed a while ago.
Oh, so you said being in Jamaica, so you have to be shitting in other people's toilet for the last...
No, because I don't have my own base here in Jamaica at the moment, so it's like, even though I'm gonna go back to foreign, at the same time I'm like, well, I can sleep in my own bed, 'cause I haven't slept in my own bed in a while. You get me? And even shitting on my own toilet. You get me? So it's like...
That is really a top tier
like,
thing that nobody really talks about.
Like, for real.
Like, shitting on your own toilet?
Yeah, like, it's one thing to feel comfortable at people's yard when you shit on them toilet. At the same time, there's nothing better than shitting on your own.
Do you ever worry about, like, the toilet tissue usage?
When people come
like,
over,
if you shit other people's toilet now and them realize...
No, because I actually manage my toilet paper usage.
Like, when they have people yard?
Yeah. Even on my own.
So you try, like, if the person wake up the next day and they don't see a sharp difference.
I honestly don't use a lot of...
What is it?
So it's either the toilet paper or you breathe in the dark. There's no compromise when you have a big shit in it.
No, what you
like
Whoa.
There's no need to use a lot, like a whole heap of toilet paper.
I'm be careful of that, like when there are people place. Cause you don't want them tell a sharp difference. You get me? I'm kind of like that where I will try to
what
just
you
like
going to do if you take a big shit? Like what literally can you do? You're going to stay in your brief and say yo.
So welcome to the excitement of having here. How do you feel, Yaadman, this paparazzi? You spent 1 month in Jamaica and you actually quarantined for 2 freaking weeks. Who does this? 2 freaking weeks.
People with about $1 million.
2 freaking weeks. Nobody else would do that. Can you believe it, Bruce, that Yaadman actually quarantined for 2 weeks?
No, I don't believe him.
2 weeks? You don't believe it, right? Do you believe him, Jed?
Yardman?
Yeah,
I
2
feel
weeks.
I feel like him sneak out.
2 man, bless. Yeah, need mask. What would you say? Alright, so this is Yaadman's airport swag. See my man, the socks, the army clothes.
Today, Barry,
What?
Yaadman is a star.
Yeah, that's why the camera is just like here. It's all about Yaadman.
Yaadman gets the trophy.
Yaadman, you know, so when you go with it, this is the part where you
Unless
like
you
let
don't
off a
want
thing
to
with a
show
friend
for
them. This is where you let off a thing with a friend them, no Yaadman. So you see the camera there?
Yeah, man.
I left thing in the air fridge.
No, really?
I'm left egg in the air fridge.
An egg.
I'm left two tuna in the
Bruce, don't you know the Jamaican thing is that when foreigner come down and them go with them, supposed to lift like, you know, a 1 and 2 things. Some have the shoes, some have a shirt, a little.
Yeah.
Some I say him can't lift off the headphone and the camera.
Not the camera.
Alright, yeah, you're not working with Bruce. What are you about to do, Yaadman?
I'm about to get extra beer roll, is it?
Yaadman is so damn extra. Wow. Yeah, so damn extra, honestly.
Oh dear. We're not there. Woo! So he's going to come back in here all moody again.
Yeah, just like regular. Just like regular.
I tell you about that jump off a Rexy cafe for the content, you know.
You wouldn't have.
Okay. So my best friend is a twin, right?
So tell a story, okay?
This is a piss story.
Mm-hmm.
So my best friend is a twin, right?
Yeah.
And years ago they got baptized when they were children.
Okay.
Right? So my best friend got baptized first before her brother.
Yeah.
So after the two of them get baptized was my friend, boom, him brother, boom, right? One right after the other. So when I went over to my best friend after he got baptized, I was like, yo dog, how you feel? Hear him no? You know some piss in the water?
Wow.
So I said,
Wait, the water everybody else are going now?
so him brother get baptized in that piss.
I don't think that's biblical.
Well, you never know. Maybe brother like warm water.
Sanctified is the unbeliever.
Oh man.
You don't approve of that, Bruce?
Huh?
You don't approve of that?
Proof of what?
Approve of that, like peed in the baptism,
In the baptism
water.
pool, no.
But so he have to go or him just do it purposefully?
Jesus said to
Like
get
knowing
baptized in
him,
water,
it
not
could
to
be
get
it could be
baptized.
either or.
Okay.
Knowing him, it could have been either or.
What are your thoughts now that you're heading back to Trumpville?
I just
Kanye could still win.
you know.
Oh, you the vote for Kanye?
Yep.
Yeah, man.
Raymond Chung. You see me? Foreign not gonna stop, you know.
Okay, did you get to see anybody that you wanted to see while in Jamaica?
Yeah, I got to see a couple people that I wanted to see. You know, I never get to see everybody.
What's the worst part of this trip?
No shit, see ya.
What has this trip taught you?
To schedule certain people at the same time in the same time slot. Because
okay.
people are going to
Yeah, well, like, Alright, so let's have a little commercial break for to show the little piece of the wing from here, Jamaica, something.
That's the tail.
The tail.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know about cooking and something, so anyway. That's the word.
I would say the worst part of the trip, I don't know.
Yeah, I was just saying, you see something about scheduling and whatever like that.
Yeah, you just have to, like, I just learned to schedule people in the same time slot because I just in the event that somebody flakes because that's what happened. You know, I was supposed to go out with somebody. I got stood up, but at the same time. But at the same time, I knew it was going to happen, or I knew of the high possibility. So I.
Yeah, man, if you talk and call name, but we're not going to call name right now, but the person kind of popular.
Yeah, I fully.
And it was Shensia. Shensia would never.
Her dad's name rhymes with.
Mama! Yo!
Yeah. But I fully scheduled to park my brethren during the same time. You see me? I said.
So it just kind of work out.
Yes, at the end of the day, I was walking like.
Well, on that note, we just reached Manley International Airport. I just like seeing this. Like every time I just see it, just make me feel like, I don't know, like I just feel finessy.
Remember when I take the picture with the 2 passports in the place?
Like you have to make everybody know say you have 2 passports. Like why are you braffing? Why are you
Yo,
braffing?
you should just jump out right here.
Reach airport now and then Yaadman thinks it's necessary to take a photograph with him 2 passport them. This is what you call braffing. Watch there. Like honestly, why need to do all of that? And Bruce, you really have the great mind actually at the photograph. Like why? Why is this necessary? Look at this. What's it? This way you can't carry the people I'm going on with? That thing. It's like
Yeah, I ended that out, you know.
Yeah.
All this. Coming on as people, so man.
Just you're buying 960s. Take up your Botox, them one thing.
This one.
Blur.
Yeah, can we? Hold on. Wow.
Content creator.
See this? So you see this a content creator though. I do not know what it on my one because when me did try to get my passport, you could have put anything but like something about media or marketing. So you can get for personalized film thing. I wonder if we could get with YouTube.
Anything special?
Huh? Yeah, I'm right about that. Oh, I would help you in a Bruce, but honestly, you're the one that's a trainer.
Legacy is
Alright, so from what it is now, this the hair flipper coming out like literally. It's going to happen and it's going to be very extra. Just wait for it. At some point in time, yeah man. So may I tell you? Don't need to do all of that, you know. You just flip the hair. Like you could have just literally gently, just like move your head back, but not yet, man.
Because you're not here, but your head.
I feel away.
Listen, I used to have, I could grow locks like that in like 2 months. I kid you not. You believe me?
Nope.
I definitely could grow. I could. Lift up this right now, Yaadman. Lift up the big stuff. Come on, you can do it. Okay. Alright, bye, bro. Alright. So at this point, I'm gonna include the emotional speech.
Blessings.
Wait, pray. Hold on. Here's a prayer.
Bless him, guide him, protect him in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen. Alright, so at this point in time, there's going to be the speech. Yaadman, you're a great content creator. Glad to get forward at Jamaica.
I want the woman talking.
Okay. Yaadman, it's been great having you here for the 2 weeks.
Oh, how much?
Oh yeah.
We are going to pretend we didn't see that.
Yaadman, it's been great having you here for the 2 weeks. I don't know why they need for quarantine for 2 weeks. You get me? You come here for a month. You actually quarantine for 2 weeks, stayed isolated. We could have been getting content. But I'm like, glad to say visit Jamaica. I know that you have a Jamaican passport. You're going to be back and forth a lot more often, right?
Yeah.
People them hear him say.
That's free.
You said what?
Yeah, that's
Yes.
free. That's definitely.
Okay. And so I know say they get stood up from the girl then, you know, and I look at the situation and they kind of, I look away, but that's how it go. But enjoy yourself and deal with things, so. Bye, bro. Look at yourself, as what's over there.
45 a.m.
Alright, don't be struggling with this too much because I know for camera you have a like you can move it. So that's it, bye Yaadman. Hold on, try to take one thumbnail, Jesus. Well, sorry for this abrupt end, but this is the end of the vlog. I'm so sorry for, you know, not really doing it while I was at the airport. But yeah man, make sure to send a like, gonna comment, and share the usual strips. Peace out. I have some more vlogs coming, so yeah, hopefully all of them are not videos that have been filmed in 2020.